I really like how Dylan's writing beautiful.
This is what I love about Taiwan. We started from our home in Pingdong County, Chaozhou Township, and went all the way to Tianmu, Taipei, mostly to find the food we hadn't eaten for so long. Shortly after arriving, we found this trail near our Airbnb with a waterfall called翠峰. Strangely, this waterfall has disappeared from the map since we went. What started out as a cloudy day turned into an amazing adventure. Within a couple of hours, we saw a rare orange waterfall, had dinner at a mountaintop restaurant with gorgeous night views, saw an amazing sunset and view of the city. Here is our approximate route. Starting out at the Tianmu Historic Trail and ending up at the mountaintop restaurant. This amazing, unexpected adventure, and within such a short amount of time, is exactly why I love Taiwan.
Way, honey.
Who knows if it's gonna pour down rain or we get bit by a snake, which would not be good. I think those might be the steps. Part of the waterfall. It's actually really cool. It's like red, but honestly, that was no joke coming down. Oh my gosh, this was so totally worth it. Whoa! Oh my gosh! This was worth every minute of it. This says that in 2 hours I burned 619 calories. My heart rate's 122. All right, so it's 5 o'clock. We're headed back trying to find a bus, kind of in the mountains. We're a little bit cold, wet, but we got raincoats. They're just only half. So we're gonna try to find a restaurant or some coffee, take the bus back and call it a day. So we weren't able to take the bus because I forgot my card. Whoa, guys, there's the whole big city down there. Whoa. This is really cool. The city. I never expected this when we came up here. We just found this like cool place and there's like the view. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Honey, look. Wow. There's no one here. Whoa, this is cool.
Yeah.
So after walking, hiking, we had no idea where to go. We were not lost, but like we couldn't find our way home. There were like no cabs. We found this really cool restaurant. It's on top of a mountain. This is so cool. I never once in a million years expected that on this random hike that we'd come to such a cool place. Like, who would have thought? It's just, it's beyond what anyone could have dreamt up for this day. I think that's Taipei 101. And the city. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm living a dream.
Yeah. Nobody. Yeah. There's nobody like you, Lord. Nobody like you, Lord. There's nobody like you, Lord. You are merciful, you are wonderful, you are more than every dream that seems impossible. You ain't let me go, you gave me the strength to do more than I had ever thought possible. There's nobody like you, Lord. Nobody like you, Lord. There's nobody like you, Lord. Nobody like you, Lord. Athletes, officers, heroes.
We have been basically hiking for hours, but we did have dinner. We're hiking back down.
Nothing wrong with they accolades, but you the source of they action. You calm seas, cure disease, raise the dead, my spirit free. You don't get